friends, here's an ocean 10 frame. A 10 frame has exactly that, 10 frames. So there's boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. So together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We start on the left and we go to the right because that's how we read. We also have some shells with some numbers. You can have somebody help you cut out on these lines and you can mix them all up. For those of you who are 4, you can also use the plus and the equal sign to make equations. I'm going to use some feathers. You can also use things like paper clips or anything you have around the house, like little erasers. You can choose a card, leave it upside down, choose a card, let's say number 3. You're going to do 1, 2, 3 objects. Then you're going to pick up another card. Let's say it has 9 on there. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Try and have the same objects for all of them, but keep going. You can always do, for the 4s, if you're doing the plus and equal, you can do 1 on the top, plus 1 on the bottom, equals, and then what is your answer? Have lots of fun with it. Bye, friends.